Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I built whatever the heck this thing is. So let's see what it can do. That's it, that's all it can do. And it's done with the video.
Bye everyone.
Bumpy ride.
Especially for me, over here is where like it's really, really bumpy.
You know, it doesn't go fast, actually.
Well, that's probably for the best.
Ooh. Oh, that's the controller kicking out. Listen.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're probably overheating. Let's check.
Let's check. Whee!
Yeah, they're pretty warm. I mean, they're working.
Give them a break.
There was no air cooling in here, unfortunately, which is causing a lot of that overheating, I think. I need to put fans in it, but not really. You know, it was designed to work in the wintertime. So let's go over what this thing is. It's basically a dual-tracked motorcycle. Each one of these track systems has a 3.8 horsepower motor driven by a 5-to-1 gear reduction, worm gear. They both have motors. There's a motor controller in the front, there's a motor controller in the back that power each one of the track systems. This on the right is the throttle. It's turned off, so it won't do anything right now. And this is reverse. This auxiliary button was meant to be for a function that didn't really work, and it's disabled. The batteries are 6S LiPos. It can take 4, you really don't need 4. I may increase the volt. This is basically 25 volt. If I increase the voltage, we could get a little bit more speed, and we may do that in the future, but for now, it works just fine. There's an Arduino controller, which decodes the throttle inputs. There's obviously a power switch, which turns everything on and off completely. Power regulator for the electronics, and that's pretty much it. The bearing here is just a large bearing, so the front end can turn, which it turns it's very hard to turn, but it works. The seat just flies right off. I didn't even attach it because I, don't care. It goes about 20 miles per hour, I think. We have not GPSed it, and I don't really care about going full speed. This back here is a tow bar. We utilize this to pull around a trailer. That was kind of fun. It put a lot of strain on the system though, so. But that's it. Also, I don't really know what to call this thing, so maybe you guys should comment below. Tell me a good name. At first I wasn't gonna call it the snow bike, but as you can tell, not much snow right now, so dual inline tracked motorcycle doesn't necessarily have that good of a ring to it, so it's just a thing, and it's fun. These were supposed to have foot pegs eventually. I didn't bother making them. Just put your feet on it, it's fine. These I left in so we could put attachments on the back, which works fine. The shell, oh yeah, I didn't mention. The whole structure here is polycarbonate. It is not acrylic. Acrylic would most likely shatter and be kind of tough, but polycarb, very resistant, durable. So there you go.
All right, let's do this. It's gonna be.
Still.
Yes. Here we go.
Asher will help. Pretty bumpy.
Yeah, you think.
There is one problem with this. It doesn't exactly have the smoothest ride. Oh, right there.
Almost fell off.
Okay, yeah. The vibrations are actually due to the fact that on most track systems, the snowmobile, well, these are snowmobile tracks, right? There's what they call high faxes, which run on these metal clips right here. Can you show the metal clips? Now, you would have this piece of plastic which would go on the bottom, which would create basically a level, it would level it out so it's much smoother. I don't have that on here, and that's why that's why it's so vibrating. I was hoping the grass would take care of most of it. It doesn't, though. I would imagine in the snow it would do fine, but we have no snow, so
After all,
it's called vibrate.
we have snow in March instead of January. Which is sad. It's okay.
It tipped over a little bit. Yeah, I thought that the fact that the tracks are flat, I wasn't sure if that would cause problems with leaning, but it does. It's definitely very hard to lean because it doesn't want to lean, but it still wants to tip over. So that's kind of a problem. It's not a particularly good design, but it's fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna leave you with my favorite clip. Take care.